upbeat music plays. Scene: a bright, cheerful setting showcasing the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop on the left and the Neugo Steam Mop on the right. Welcome back, smart buyers! Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown between two steam mops, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, known for its cleaning prowess, and the Neugo Steam Mop, your potential new cleaning companion. Let's find out which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk price. The Shark S5003D is priced at $129, while the Neugo comes in at a more wallet-friendly $119. Reviewers appreciate the Neugo for being an economical choice without sacrificing performance. So if saving a tenner sounds good to you, Neugo is winning this round. Next, we're heating things up with steam temperature. The Shark boasts a powerful steam output, but Neugo takes it a step further with a scorching 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers rave about Neugo's ability to penetrate deep into surfaces, making it an excellent choice for tough grime. Shark, you might need to turn up the heat. Now, let's get functional. The Shark S5003D features double-sided dirt grip washable pads, great for flipping and cleaning. However, Neugo comes with 10 versatile accessories, allowing you to tackle everything from grout to toys. Users have noted how much they enjoy the cleaning versatility that Neugo offers, making it feel like a cleaning party. Speaking of features, let's discuss adjustability. Neugo allows you to adjust the steam intensity and height, so no more backaches from bending down. Shark, on the other hand, is a bit limited in this department. Users have noted how much they appreciate Neugo's thoughtful design for ease of use. What about the cord length? Neugo sports a whopping 23 feet ultra-long cord, perfect for cleaning without switching plugs constantly. Shark is shorter, which can be a hassle during extensive cleaning sessions. Reviewers have praised Neugo's length as a game changer for their cleaning routine. Finally, let's discuss water tank capacity. The Shark holds 220 milliliters, while Neugo has a removable 15.2 ounces tank. For those planning to clean their entire house, Neugo feels like a bottomless cup of steam. Users love Neugo's larger capacity, as it allows for longer cleaning sessions without constant refills. In summary, Shark S5003D receives praise for its ease of use and effective cleaning results, with many users highlighting its powerful steam and flip feature. However, some reviewers mention its higher price and limited features compared to Neugo. Conversely, Neugo Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, versatility, and long cord, although some users face challenges with its assembly and parts. Overall, both mops have their strengths depending on your cleaning needs. So what have we learned today? If you want a simple, no-frills mop, Shark's your buddy. But if you want versatility, temperature, and a whole cleaning toolkit, Neugo is the way to go. In the battle of the steam mops, Neugo is taking home the gold today. Remember, whether you choose Shark or Neugo, the most important thing is to keep those floors clean and your sanity intact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Keep buying smart and mopping hard.